Cutting technology, electric chainsaw, electric changelord. Your head just strains off, left for dead, your brains off. Your lights out, they stay off. Stand clear, watch, I'm about to take off. How's the trade off? I'm down to face off. Here's a fake off. Staying sick with the flow. Hey, I'm in with the note, and I can't let it go. Your bandy can't go. Instrumental, I instruct my mental to construct the sick flow, and it does wonderful. It does fantastic. It stresses what I know like it was elastic, enthusiastic. The school scholastic with foolproof tactics. It's cool to pass it, but who even has it? Everyone that's listening, I'm not done conditioning like I'm still in the shower. I'm feeling the power, and really it's ours, but I'm the only one who seems to be envisioning.